Okay, so let's do that. Okay, we move on the uh, coding part. Okay, so let's create give the variable name ROI equal to image. You have to give the path of the image, what you have to putting on the image. Okay, so let's do the and give the let's first type, then let's I will explain you. 160 comma and 320 equal to, oh sorry, 420. Okay, and what we have to do, cv2 dot imso, yes, and roi, yeah, and save. After that, first let clear the screen. Yeah, yes, you can see here ROI means the reason of interest, where you want to crop the image. Okay, so let's me try to explain the code. Okay, 60 divided by 160, it means a starting of y upon ending of y. Okay, and a starting of x upon ending of x. Okay, let me run the code again. You can see here a starting of x and y width, you can see, and we will divide the x and y. you know we I think this part is here. Okay, so let me check another. We will let me check. Yes, it will crop the x part increase. Okay, you can see. Yes, yeah, you can see. X part, it will increases. Okay, when you will increase the x part, then it will crop the more image, more type of x part. Okay, so what we have to do, I think you are understanding. Let me check here. 70. Okay, yes, yeah, you can see here we are increasing the 70 in, it means y part, then it will giving going to down and up. Okay, so we have to, I think you have understood this region of interest. Okay, so next part is resizing images. This is the last part, and we will cover next tutorial, next series. So I don't want to increase the too much time, because you will go to bore. So we are I am covering the all part of the series. So we will make, I think, 10 to 20, 10 to 15 minutes per series, per videos. Okay, so I think it will cover all the image processing with OpenCV. I think 10 to 12 videos it will cover. Okay, so let's move on to the coding part. Okay, go to resizing. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to give this variable name resize. Okay, resize equal to cv2 means we are calling the OpenCV library. Okay, so cv2 dot resize function name. Okay, so yeah, this is resize is the function name, and we can't take the function name in the variable. Okay, so don't take the resize variable name. Okay, that's why I have changed. Okay, so give the which image you want to resize. You want to ROI image, you want to resize the ROI image, or you want to resize the original image. So here I am giving the original image. Okay, so give the original image name. Okay, and give the resizing height of width. So we are giving 200 comma and 200, simply taking. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to or show the image. So showing the image cv2 dot imso. Okay, so imso, and giving the variable name. Okay, so first of all, give the title name. So we have to title is resized, resi resized is site. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to give the variable name resized. Okay, and save, and simply run the code. Okay, yeah, you can see here, this is the ROI and this is the resize image. Okay, so simply we can resize any image, uh, and let me, you can change here 200 height and width, what you want, and you can simply resize your images. Okay, so you know, after that, we can also cover the accept ratio in this tutorial series. So I think we will cover next video all thing I have left. So okay, resizing the image is completed. Okay, so we will cover next tutorial rotating the images, and why you have a import the immutils. So we will use the next tutorial how to import the how to resize the images using immutils library, something like that. So thank you guys, you have liked the videos, and if you really like the videos, then please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.